Everyone, welcome to Pragati with Bharti. Today, I have a beautiful English story for you. The Drop of Water. One hot summer day, a little drop of water fell from a cloud. It landed on a dry leaf and looked around. The little drop felt very small. It said, I am so tiny. I can't help anyone. Just then, a thirsty ant came walking by. The ant saw the drop of water and happily drank it. It smiled and continued its journey. The little drop felt happy. Soon the sun became hotter and the drop slowly disappeared. But its journey did not end. It rose into the sky as a water vapor and joined the clouds again. The little drop smiled and said, Do you know what the cloud said? Now it's your turn. What do you think is the moral of the story? Write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pragati with Bharti. See you in the next story.